Hi, my name is Narma and I'm a passionate software developer. I'm currently studying DevOps engineering at LSET. In this portfolio video, I'll showcase my Docker-related skills and projects and how Docker has changed the way we build, ship, and run applications. Let's have a quick overview of Docker. Docker is an open source platform for automating application deployment using containers. It simplifies packaging applications and their dependencies into lightweight isolated environments. With Docker, developers can easily create, manage, and distribute applications across different systems. Here are some key concepts of Docker, which includes Dockerfile, Docker image, and Docker container. A Dockerfile is a text file that contains instruction on how to build a Docker image. It specifies the base image, dependencies, configurations, and commands needed to create the desired environment for your application. The Docker image is a lightweight standalone and executable package that contains everything needed to run your application. It's built based on the instructions in the Docker file. A Docker container is a running instance of a Docker image. It's isolated from other containers and the host system, ensuring consistent behavior and preventing conflicts. Now let's dive into a demonstration of a DevOps project I worked on, focused on optimizing the deployment of a simple Java application. To achieve this, I utilized Docker's containerized application, allowing me to encapsulate the code, dependencies, and configuration with a portable container. This approach ensured that the application could be seamlessly deployed and run consistently across different environments, reducing the likelihood of configuration-related problems during deployment. Another project I'd like to highlight is one that required running Linux-based scripts and commands within a controlled and isolated environment. By utilizing Docker with Ubuntu operating system, I created a container that allowed me to execute custom shell scripts and perform Linux commands without impacting my host system, which is Windows. As seen in the picture, in Docker desktop application, the container is named Ubian container and it's running an Ubuntu image. In conclusion, Docker has become an integral part of software development journeys, empowering developers to build robust, scalable, and portable applications. If you have any questions or would like to connect with me, feel free to reach out via email at marmar.day.uk@gmail.com. You can also find me on LinkedIn for further networking opportunities and collaborations. Thank you.